In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix NSFW content grayed out in Reddit. Now, if say for example, you are going to look for NSFW content and it's grayed out or blurred, here's how to fix that one. First things first, I want you to head over to your account here. You're going to click that one and then you're going to look for the settings. After opening the settings, you should be able to see here the preferences. So I want you to go ahead and click that one. Now, here is where we are going to fix that. First things first, you have here content. Now under the content, you want to make sure that this one here, show mature content, I'm over 18, is turned on. So as you can see right now, mine is turned on. You can see that it's blue. Another one here, blur mature or 18 plus images and media. Now for this one, you want to make sure that you disable this one. That way when you are going to look for NSFW contents, you are going to see them right away without them being blurred or grayed out. And yep, that is just basically how to fix that one. After this one, you can just go ahead and click the home button here and you should be able to see all of them without them being blurred or without them being grayed out. And that, everybody, is how you are going to fix NSFW content grayed out in Reddit. If you found this video helpful or informative, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Also, feel free to share in the comments how this video has helped you.